Now we're quickly going through all the different kind of buttons and options you can use. Later on I will go into depth of every single one of them. So we got the selection tool to quickly move around objects. We got the direct selection tool to move around anchor points. Pen tool to quickly create lines and shapes. We also got the curve fade tool to create curves using the pen tool. We also got the text tool to quickly change and make text. We got the line tool to make lines. The square tool, the shape, the brush tool to create paintings. We got the eraser, we got the rotate tool. We got the scale tool to quickly scale objects. We got the free transform tool to quickly transform easily and quickly different kind of objects. We got the eyedropper tool to change colors. We got the blend tool. The artboard tool to increase or decrease the size of your artboard or create new artboards. We got the hand tool to quickly map around your work area. We got the zoom tool to quickly zoom in or out. Up here we got the stroke tool to increase or decrease the size of the stroke. Up here you can change the color of outline stroke. We got the quickly switch tool to quickly switch between the colors. The gradient tool, or the option to have no color at all. We got the eraser tool with options to change the size of the eraser. We got the symbols option to quickly add all kind of symbols to your project. We got style options to adjust the fill of your object. And then we got the align buttons to change the position of your object. We also got the graph tool. Just by simply adding numbers, it will generate a graph for you. We also got the layers option. As you can see right here, we got two different layers, ellipse and rectangle. Up under here you can change a new layer, and we call it square, and the other one we call circle. And we can move the layer to specific sub-layers. And now by clicking on the eye you can make them visible or invisible. And that's the end of this walkthrough. Now let's continue the video.